So let's imagine that we have the same number, 3 to 1, but in this case, we change the base. We are using base 4, for example. What will be the value of this number in base 4? Well, we do the same as with base 10. We use 4 to the 0 power, 4 to the first power, 4 to the second power. This is 16, 4, and 1. So the value of this number will be 1 multiplied by 1. The value of this digit will be 4 multiplied by 2. And the value of this digit will be 16 multiplied by 3. If we add these quantities, we will have the representation, the number, the value that this number represents in base 4. So, for example, this is 48 plus 8 plus 1. This will be 57. If we had represented this number in base 4 instead of using base 10. Okay, this is how we can choose whatever base, and the value represented with this number will change. Another important thing to know is that how many different digits we will need to represent a number using a base. In the previous example, with base 4, okay, let's imagine that we have two different positions. So this will be 4 to the 0 and 4 to the 1. So let's start writing a number. Let's imagine that we write a 10 here. Okay, a 10 in base 4. So this value will be 4 multiplied by 1 plus 0 is 4. Okay, so the first number that we can represent using this position is a 4. So we will need to represent from 0 to 3 using this position. So if we were counting using base 4, we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, and the next number will be 10, because this is 4. Okay, this will be the 4. We will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 20, because it will be, if we make the numbers here, it will be 5, 6, 7, and it will be 8. Okay, so what's the important thing here is that we don't need 10 different digits like we usually do. When we are working with base 10, we need from 0 to 9, because if we didn't have so many digits, we wouldn't be able to represent all numbers. We will have gaps here. But if we were using base 4, we only need 4 different digits. We need the 0, the 1, the 2, and 3. Using only 4 digits, we are able to represent whatever number using base 4. So this is very important, and this is and we are going to see it if we change the base to 2 and we use binary numbers.